Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.